Hi everybody, hope you guys are doing well. After quite a long time, I'm going to make another video with Elementor. You guys can see here is the new website. I'm going to design this one for my client. This is one of my client who give me works regular basis. So I'm using Hello Elementor theme for this. This is not development project. This is a WordPress design project and multilingual. So I'm first of all working for German version. So I'm using actually this theme. So in this theme, I'm just designing. This is not complete yet. Okay, so you can see this is not pixel perfect yet because I'm just still working and just working with this German version, and it will be English and French also. So I will work them with later. So first of all, today's video I'm going to show you that how you can make this header sticky. Okay, there is couple of ways to do this. You can use any kind of methods. So I will show you one method by using a Elementor plugin. Okay, before most probably one video I show you how to do this without any plugin. Okay, so you can see that video also, and if you want to use any plugins you can also use. So I'm going to use this to make this header sticky by using a plugin. So let's do that. So for doing this, first of all we have to install a plugin. So let's go to plugin, add the plugin and search for a plugin here. The sticky header, and sticky header effects for Elementor. Yes, this one, and it has quite good review. So I'm going to just install it. So you can also use this one. So this one is very nice. I have used it before. This also can be used. So today I'm going to use this one. It's saying why. Let's reload it. Sticky header already installed. As I have used Elementor, that is why I'm using this plugin. Okay. So now we have installed it, and now we shall go to theme builder because I have used the theme builder for my header. We've already installed this, so no need this one. Here, theme builder. I'm using here theme builder header and footer. So I'm just here. You see header, then edit this one. Okay. And this is very simple. So you guys can do it by yourself after watching this video. It's taking a little time because I don't know actually what's the issue. It's taking time to be loaded. Okay. So let's just click here, middle of this button, I mean edit container, and then go to advanced tab, and then scroll down, and here is a new menu has been added after installing this plugins. Okay, sticky header effects. Just click here and then enable. That means sticky is enabled now. Then this sticky will work desktop, tablet, and mobile. All these device will be sticky. Okay, so if you don't want to make this header sticky on mobile, then you can delete this one. So for this tutorial purpose I want to keep this. Okay, then scroll down, transparent header effect you can also add. This is a background color. Okay, you can add background color, change logo color. Okay, you can also change this logo color, all this. So I'm just update this one, and let's refresh this. There is a couple of options. You can explore all of them by doing on off. Yes, it's working now. Okay, this is working perfectly. So actually this is very easy. Okay, you can, there is lots of option actually. Change logo color. You can also change this logo color. Okay, before scrolling, what will be the color of the logo and what will be after scrolling. After scrolling, if you want just black, just open and update. After open this one, if you scroll now, then the logo color will be changed whenever you will scroll. Okay, so there are lots of options you can use. Yes, like this. Okay, so this is quite good. So I hope guys you have understood that how to do this actually very easily without any hesitation, any problem. You can do it by yourself for your website, and it looks quite good. And there is also many other options, you can explore them. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to make it longer today. So see you in other videos with another topics.